Number 62 asks us for a couple things here. Well, it asks us for one thing. It asks us to find the secant of 1.8. But it's not going to be as straightforward as you may think. And I want to talk about our calculator and what mode it's in and how to go about doing this. When we're asked for the secant of 1.8, please notice that there is no degree mode. That means it's 1.8 radians. Well, the first thing you need to do with your calculator is to change it to radian mode. We go to mode. If you look down, the third one, you have either a choice of radian or degrees. I highlight radian, and I'm now in radian mode. Go back to the main screen, and I'm ready for secant. Well, the next thing is on your calculator. If you remember that secant is going to be equal to 1 over the cosine. Well, in this case, I want you to avoid this portion of secant. It is not going to be the second function of your cosine. We'll talk about that at a later time. So what I'm going to do in order to type this into my calculator is I'm going to type in this. I'm going to type in cosine of 1.8. It's in radians. And then when I enter, or before I enter, I'm going to raise it to the negative first power. And that's going to be located right above your squared key, right here. So entering this into the calculator, we go cosine of 1.8, end parenthesis, to the negative first, enter, and I get negative 4.4014. Negative 4.4014.